So now so now Jen's added another dog. She has a standard poodle that's coming in to join. And Ava is now just having her drag line on her. All right, there we go. There's another one.
Good. Oh, that's a girl. That's a girl. Boy, Albert. Good. Oh.
The Great Dane is Jen's personal dog. The Lab is a boarder, and the Poodle is a boarder. So they come to the day and play.
You like the puppy, huh? You like the puppy. Oh, honey, go potty.
So far, so good. Couldn't do this with Ava before because she came to us with the amputated leg. Oh, we had to get that other back leg rehab strong enough for her to be able to come and get dog tested and do what she's doing right now. I say we got a winner.
What?
I say we got a winner.
Yeah.
I think Ava is going to do fine in any home that knows what they do.
And then
that's the whole thing. You have to know what you're doing.
So we can test her
Well,
on
you
cats.
want temperament tester because I have been asked within a home about cats. All right.